All right, we're excited to show you the Supercharger for the first time. So what we've got set up already, we have 3 different panel strings already connected with the EC8s inputted to the Supercharger and the console. Ted is going around right now and plugging in the other end of the solar panel cable to the cable arrays themselves. So you may see the charge spool up while we're talking. But the first thing to note, I'll get these all turned on, is that the console does need to be on for the Supercharger to charge the associated batteries. So we've got the console should already be charging actively using our 400 watt array that's plugged into that. This should be connecting very, very soon, but it will give you up to 1200 watts of input total with this system. That's 90 volts, 1200 watts. That'll charge this battery in about an hour. It's going to be really impressive. All right, so as you can see, we're getting about 750 watts of solar production right now. It's about 5 o'clock in the evening. We've got a really hazy day today, so that's about right for where we're at. Now, if you look down here at the Supercharger, you do get individual readings for each one of your panel strings. So on this one, we're about 272. This one's about 221. We could peak that up a little bit and get a little bit more production out of it, but for for our purposes today, that's pretty good. Coming back up here, you can see that we're getting about 740 watts of input here, and the charge time is about 18 minutes to go fully charged. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and bring in a second battery to this stack to show you how the whole system works together. So the first thing that we need to do is unhook the solar panels from this cable right here that's on the console to make it safe to begin unstacking the products. So first we'll get that done. Ted's done that for me. We're going to go ahead and turn off all the power, get the latches undone, and then we pull off the console. We'll take the second battery. Now these batteries are a little bit out of balance. You'll get to see them balancing again. Put the console back up on top of the system. Make sure everything's latched. Turn on the console, both batteries, and the Supercharger. So you can see we've got about 800 watts of solar production coming in. We are sensing both batteries connected. If we come down here to each battery, we can see we've got about 600 watts coming into this one, 256 coming into this one. The difference between these two is a result of these two batteries balancing while being charged. So if you look down here at the Supercharger, you'll also see we've got both strings being rated on here on the screen for their solar production, and the whole system's charging together.